You know, we've all seen like people like Cristiano Ronaldo score a last minute goal and the whole stadium blows up. We tell ourselves, damn, he gets a lot of money, he gets a lot of chicks, and he's just so famous, I want to be like that. Or when you see LeBron James score a last minute bucket and the whole stadium just blew up, we tell ourselves that, hey, I want to be like that. But trust me, you don't. What you're seeing is only the tip of the iceberg. And that's a harsh reality for many people. They say that they love to do something, and when the time comes, they take action for it. They be like, I hate doing this. Like, everybody wants to be a YouTuber. They say to themselves that, I wanna make videos, and for every video I get paid a couple of thousands of dollars and I can make a living out of it. But have you actually tried making videos? I mean, doesn't it frustrate you or bore you to do research for 10 hours only because of a thumbnail or a title or the script? I mean, if you're rich, if you have so much money, it's a totally different perspective. Like, you can pay people to do those kind of things for yourself. But have you ever tried to do one of these things by yourself? For 99.99% of the people on the planet, it's really hard. You know, becoming a footballer, becoming a basketball player, becoming a YouTuber, becoming a lawyer. We like to see those peak moments and tell ourselves that that should be easy. We can do that, and we're passionate about it, and we want to do that. But it's not like that. Or we see these streamers like Dr. Disrespect and Tin the Tatman. We see that they're getting donated thousands of dollars each session, and you tell yourself that, that's easy money. The guy just sits there and plays video games, and just people come and straight off donate to him. Like, yes, I can do that, you can do that. But have you actually tried to be a good entertainer, to become a good streamer? I promise you that if you have tried, you'd be like, man, fuck this. It's too hard for me. I don't want to do it. And this is where passion comes in. When something is really hard and frustrating for the other 99% of the people, but not for you. This is the part when you can say, I am passionate about doing this job. This is the point where you can say, I am passionate about doing this and I don't get bored. Me, myself, I like editing, I like arts, I like putting myself out there. You know, I started as a video editor, actually, and then thought to myself that, you know, I can edit my own videos. And I thought to myself, man, I can edit my own videos. Why not have a YouTube channel just because of me? Because this is what I love to do. Step 1 on how to find your passion is to reflect on your interests. What are you interested about? Are you interested in like playing music, playing the piano, you know, editing videos, coding, in the circle of your control? And by that I mean, are you biologically good at maths, or are you more good at in creativity? And just your mind wants to be this free lion, just, you know, cruising down the jungle or something like that. See what tasks you can do over and over and over again, day by day, without resting, and you don't get bored. Because if you want to be good at the thing that you are passionate about, you need to put in the repetitions. Take some time and think about it, you know, sit somewhere and just write down the stuffs. Know that you can repeat them and just see from that list, like, which one of them do you like the most? Well, obviously I like editing videos, and as a child I always wanted to be like that, you know, old wise man that everyone comes to when they want advice. So this is why I created this YouTube channel. And because of that, I don't get bored when I make videos, and I don't get frustrated if I don't get any views or subs. See what hobbies make you excited. See what hobbies don't make you frustrated, and you can have a discipline for that hobby to do that over and over again every day. And please be honest with yourself. If you want to be a basketball player, well, obviously you need to have the height for it, and you don't want to like be bored of 10 to 12 hours of training each and every single day. So please just be honest with yourself about the hobbies that you want to pick to see what you're passionate about. Step 2 is to identify your strengths. You know, for me, as an example, I'm weak at mathematics. You know, as a kid, I loved to be a hacker because I always saw in the movies that hackers can do all cool stuffs with the computers. You know, you can breach into networks and all that stuff. But the first day that I took a coding class, I was like, what the f is this? Like, I'm not built for this, bro. I couldn't even understand a single line of code. Well, I thought I was passionate about becoming a hacker, you know, studying cybersecurity and all those stuff, but when I took action, I was like, nah fam, this is not for me. But instead, I can like spend hours and hours of my time on editing videos and try to make something that is like a piece of art to me. So see where your strengths lie at and work on them so that you can place your hobbies around your strengths, not your weaknesses. Trust me, it's gonna be more enjoyable to you, and you still can become the baddest out there that can still do that task that no one else can pull off. Step 3, if you are really lost, is to explore new things. If you're like, I don't know what I want to do, I don't know if I want to become a lawyer, I want to become a teacher, I want to become a doctor, engineer, or car mechanic, or whatever, you need to explore them. See what actions you can take, what new actions you can take, what new experiences you can have, and not be frustrated by them, not be bored by them. So many people say that I want to be a YouTuber, and they see all these big YouTubers that making tons of millions of dollars, but they can't stand an hour on researching on how to make a thumbnail or how to edit a video by themselves. But you need to give it a try to know that if you like it or not. Doing something, it's completely different from saying that I want to do it. You need to take action. You know, go take classes, go take courses, or try your best to do them by yourself. Step 4, which I want to talk about, is to seek inspiration. What people do you like? Genuinely, what people do you find interesting and cool? For example, Bill Gates or Elon Musk or someone, and see what traits you have in common with them. Because if you have some traits, for example, if you're good at coding, you're good at maths, or other kind of stuff that Bill Gates is good at, there's a pretty good chance that you can become a successful person in the field which Bill Gates is in. Inspiration can come from many sources. For example, books, videos, movies. It can help you to identify the things that you may be passionate about. By seeing what things you have in common with other people, it's gonna just make your job a lot easier to identify your passion. And in summary, I just want to tell you that, you know, finding your passion is a journey. You know, some are lucky enough to find their passion at the very young age, from 4, 5, 6, or even 3. And some may find their passion at the age of 40 or 50, but it doesn't matter. What it matters is that in the second that you know what you are passionate about, trust me, you're gonna blow up on the job. You're gonna be the best person that can do that thing. And you know, there's a Stoic saying that says, there is a job out there that only your shoes can fit in it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and comment down below your thoughts. Let me know what things you are passionate about, or at least you think you are passionate about. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.